Hello everybody, today we make lamb shank in the oven. For the ingredients we got lamb shanks, and the lamb shank what I did with a knife, I make a little hole. You see over here little hole, and I stick the garlic inside. And I got salt and black pepper. We got chicken stock, white wine, bell leaves. I got a concentrated tomato. I got a plum tomato, dice, carrots, celery, garlic, onion, cipolla. I got rosemary and thyme. Okay, now first thing we want to prepare the vegetable, and I want to start chop this. We start with onion. You just you cut in half, and you cut another half. You not got a big small piece. It's okay. And you do piece like that. Okay, now the garlic I do the same thing. I chop like this. That's all. Now we cut the carrots. The carrots you cut in a half like this. You cut a piece like that. This it gives a really good taste for the meat. It's done. Okay, now I put oil. I want to start make a nice color at the shank, lamb. To make sure the parts it's nice hot. This it's the shank over here. It look beautiful. It look really nice. I was told the butcher said make a beautiful, cut a nice one for me. And he did a really good job. Okay, now we start. The only thing you gotta watch, make sure to turn once in a while to make the color a nice color all the way around. If they make a mirror like this, you no burn. Okay, now we did on one side. Let's see the color. Look at that. Look how beautiful it looks. Really nice. Now we do the same all the way around. Okay, now the leg shanks look really good. It look a beautiful color. Now we take it out. I gotta saute the rest of the stuff. The vegetable. Okay. And now we got everything over here. We saute the carrots, the garlic, and the onion, and the celery. We saute this to soften up a little bit. And after I gotta put the concentrato, the concentrated tomato paste. What do you call it?
Tomato paste. Tomato paste.
Tomato paste. Pesto di pomodoro. Okay, now we put the thyme, rosemary, and the bay leaves, and give it really good taste to this. See, got the lamb me like the rosemary and the thyme too. Now we put the tomato paste. And we give it, now this it give a beautiful color. And we saute together everything, and look, it changed already the color. Okay, now it come out my flavor. Nice wine. And look at this. And now the smell. Oh, so good. A beautiful look already. Okay, now it's the tomato, the diced plum tomato, and we give a good turn on this, and we gotta leave, start to boil the tomato. After that, you gotta go the shank lamb. Okay, before we put the lamb, I want to put a little salt. I'm gonna put no salt over here. But the lamb, it got salt and black pepper. But for this, I need a black pepper. Okay, we give a nice turn. And now it's ready for the lamb shank. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. After that, we got the chicken stock. And this is the chicken stock. It go right on the top over here. Good. Now we give a nice turn. One time it start to boil, you gotta go in the oven. But first you gotta boil on the top of the stove. Okay, now it start to boil. Let's put the cover. And this you gotta go in the oven. It's on 350 degrees. It's really beautiful now. This spot. Hey, Pasqua. Mamma mia. The pazza muove da me. Okay. Nice, eh? That's it. Now you gotta cook. Okay, now the meat is ready. For 2 hours it was cooked. Now let's take it out. Oh, let's put it right over here on the stove. Cause this pazza it's more heavy than me. And let's take the cover right out. It look a nice boil. Now what I want to do, I gotta take the meat out. Oh, look at the bones. It's the way it's supposed to be. Look how nice. Cause when you cut the meat, you gotta melt in your mouth. Look at this. Okay. Beautiful. Now with the vegetable, this I want to make a nice, beautiful gravy. Okay, this it's the taste. You got everything over here. And this I want to do like this. Yeah, put it right over here. All right. You don't need to do all things. You can do. I mean, you need for the. Look, if you do this. Everything is mashed together. It come out so good. Now, lamb is done. Now it's time to me the taste. When I was looking movie in Italy, the Orsara, when he was to see something like this, you know what it was called? Onerone. Eat with the bones. Pick it up and eat. The Romani. Okay, now I want to taste. Now the gravy, it's done. I put like gravy right on the top. And on the side, look what I was making. Nice, beautiful polenta. Now let's cut a little polenta. Oh, look how beautiful. Really, really nice. Really good. And look how nice it stay. And now we put it right over here. And I want to put little gravy on the top of the polenta. Now it's a time of the taste. Pasquale, don't forget your wine, okay? No, don't worry about it. The wine, it's first of the taste. Okay, let's. Oh, look how beautiful. Look at this. Oh. It's really hot. Watch, huh? It melts in your mouth. Thank you very much, lamb. And the polenta on the side. It makes you dance. The polenta, the lamb, it's beautiful, delicious. It's cooked really, really good. And now I want to say to everybody, salute e cin cin, a salute di everybody, a salute a tutti quanti. Questa è una bella lamb, a lemmia a pecorella bella, tenera tenera, e come saprete, really delicious. Salute e cin cin, e thank you so much. A salute. Thank you.